Yo, what's up guys? I'm back with another shinies video. This time it's shiny Gigantamax forms. There's not many of them, so this should be pretty easy. Also, the only tier list I could find by who's the creator of the, I can't even find the creator of this at the bottom. The J Bird on Twitter. Um it's only sprites, not the 3D models, but I think sprites are still a good enough measure. The sprites probably look better anyways. I mean, I don't know if much is gonna beat Charizard, to be honest. Uh, Butterfree looks pretty good. I'd say. Pikachu, I mean, it's lame, but it's also fat Pikachu, so S. Meowth, I fucking love that. S. That might even be top 5. I'll see what happens. Machamp, A. Dude, these are all good. These are all good as fuck. Actually, wait, what am I talking about? This is based on shinies, though. What am I doing? Sorry. I got ahead of myself there. Okay. S. Nah, top 5. Kingler is S. I think Kingler's above. Lapras is good too. Eevee is good as well. I think A. Snorlax is like a D. Garbodor is like a B. Nah, it's like a A. Corviknight is like S. That's awesome. Dude, these are all pretty good. Orbeetle, I think B. I think it's like my least favorite so far for sure. Actually, you know what Eevee is? There we go. Like aside from these ones, Rillaboom is lame. Urshifus are lame. Cinderace is good. I don't think top 5 is gonna work. I think I'm just gonna get rid of top 5. Oh shit. Okay. Nah. B. Colossal's like a D. Nah, it's like a C. Eternatus. There's like nothing shiny there. Nah, Melmetal like C. Yeah, I like Inteleon there. Grimmsnarl's S. Toxtricity, shiny wise, it's like F. Same with Scolipede. Duraludon's okay. This is like a B. This is like a B. Also like a, it's like a C. Nah, it's a B. This is like a D. Creamy is pretty good, like A. Hatterene is like C. Venusaur is like B. Yeah. Okay, I think that's it. Well, once again, even though I tricked myself at the beginning, this is only based on how the shinies look, not the actual designs. If it was actual designs, Meowth would be in the very opposite tier.